So app that's just like the Kickoff Credit is the self account. That self account is going to report to credit bureaus just like Kickoff is going to report. And then also they have the credit card just like the Kickoff, and then they have that loan account. So that's an app that's very similar to the Kickoff. And I already showed you guys. Here is the information. This is the self here, and you guys can download the app for the Apple Store, and you guys can download the app for the Google Play. But this is self right here, and it's very, very similar to Kickoff. It's actually one of the accounts that I first signed up for. Now, Kickoff, let me say this too. Kickoff, this credit account right here is only going to report to Equifax and Experian. Their loan is going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. Their cash card is going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. Their installment account, their credit card, they're going to report to, here it is right here, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So only one of Kickoff accounts, this one right here, is not going to report to TransUnion. I don't know if they're going to fix that, but just thought I'll throw that out